Hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I am back with another video. Today we have chicken chop suey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you're new, do feel welcome. So here we have PopChow, carrot, scallion, thyme, tomato, Scotch bonnet, pepper, sweet pepper, onion, garlic, and chicken breast. These are all the ingredients that we'll be using. First, we're deboning the chicken breast and we're just going to cut it into cubes. We're going to do it at an inch or an inch and a half. Once we have done cutting them into cubes, we are then going to wash with some vinegar and some water. You can substitute the vinegar with lime juice, lemon, or some salt. Here we're about to start seasoning and we're using grace, pimento, garlic and ginger seasoning. We're also going to add some black pepper. We are also going to add some Maggi complete seasoning, and this is a natural seasoning. After all the seasoning has been added, we are going to rub it with our hands. You can use a spoon if you'd like, or if you use gloves, but my hands are clean. Now we're slicing some garlic and some ginger, and once we have done that, we are going to set our pot on the stove. We are also going to add some coconut oil to the pot, and once the oil is hot enough, we are then going to add our garlic and ginger. We are going to gauge the stove to low heat because the garlic tends to burn easily. Once we have stirred for about a minute or two, we are then going to add our chicken breast to the pot, and we are going to allow it to slow cook. Once it is cooked to our liking, we are going to put aside and then move on to our ground seasoning and vegetable. So here we have a green sweet pepper, and we are just slicing into small slices. We're using one entire medium green pepper. Now we're going to cut our carrots, and we are going to cut them into small sticks. You can cut them how you like, but I think for presentation purpose, the sticks do the chop suey more justice. So we are just going to cut the entire carrot, and we have used a large carrot. Now we are going to move on to some scallion, and we are just going to cut the green part of the scallion. We are going to put aside the white part for later use. So once we have our sweet pepper, our carrot, our scallion, we are then going to add it to the same pot that we did the chicken in, and we're just going to use the remaining of the oil to saute these a bit. We're then going to cut our onion, and you can cut it in whichever style you like. I chose this one because for preparation it looks better. Now we're cutting the white part of the scallion. We're also going to cut our tomato, and we are not taking out the seeds. If you wish, you could, but I'm just dicing the tomato up just as is. Once we have done that, we are then going to add our PopChow, and this was cut up previously to our pot, and we're just going to give that a stir. Ensure that your heat is on low heat, and you are going to gradually stir this. Then you're going to add your onion, scallion, and tomato alongside Scotch bonnet pepper and thyme to the pot. So once you have added all of these ground seasoning to the pot, you are going to give it a stir, and you're going to cook this for about 15 minutes. Then you're going to add your chicken, give that a stir again, and voila, the meal is prepared. So you're going to allow this to cook for at least 2 more minutes, and then you can take it off. I'm going to add a bit more black pepper just for taste. You can omit the last amount of black pepper that I added. Now this is ready to serve, and this is a complete meal. You can eat as is or with whatever starch you like. Until next time, it's your girl Anna.